Oh my gosh. It is snowing outside. It's not time yet. See those bush things out there? I gotta cut those down. Oh my gosh. It's actually snowing. Where are we going now? Why am I always in this car? I should just get a job as a taxi driver or Uber or something like that. Anyway, hello again. A new day. Today, I am bringing soup to a friend who has COVID. So I'll put it outside her door, and it's a great way to bless somebody, right? We should all be a blessing to one another, right? Because the Bible says that if you're not, and you're just all talk, that you're like a loud cymbal, and that's it. And we get to see Pete today, guys. Do you remember Peter? I mean, I can't get everybody like directly like 100% on them unless they approve, and a lot of times I don't really want to, but sometimes I don't care. So I'm the only one that wants to be a movie star. So we're gonna go out with him. Yes, I first have an eye appointment, and then we're gonna go do that. And this is my second day. Remember that app I was telling you guys about? It's called Lose It? Yes. Use it or lose it. So I'm so excited because it is amazing. Like, right? So you know when you ever like keep track of your calories and it's just like, oh, it's so annoying, right? And then you got to do it the next day, and then you write everything down, and maybe you do it on your phone. I don't know. But this here is awesome because like today I had the same kind of salad. You could just put it in as one big salad and you would put the same things in it every day, but I don't always do that. But every ingredient. So yesterday I felt like that's all I did. I felt like I was eating all day just because I had to keep on tracking everything down, and it keeps it. You can keep it in there. And so today I was like, oh yeah, my shredded cabbage, boink. I didn't have to write anything down, so it was just perfect. I love it. It's my second day. By June, you're gonna see half of me. Yeah, so I have quite a bit of weight that I personally want to lose. When I got married, I was 155 pounds. And back then I felt a little bit uncomfortable. I like it a lot less than that. At my favorite, I know I was younger, so I don't know how my body as an older person wants to be and where it feels comfortable at. But, honestly, I felt the best, like literally the best, when I was working out at the gym, running the beach, and I was 125 pounds. Like that is like hardly anything. So not sure if my body is capable of that, and I don't want to look like a bone, although I won't because I have a lot of muscle. I have a lot of muscles, and I'm just excited because I am healing from emotional eating, which is fantastic. And I don't know, I just see by keeping track on this Lose It app, I feel like I'm supported. They send you messages now and then saying, congratulations, you're doing a great job, keep up the good work. And I'm like, wow, this is so fun, you know. And yeah, I was one that never needed support like that, but then I didn't really, you know, I used to do everything on my own, right? As a young woman in my 20s, mid-20s too, I just always exercised by myself, which I still love. I don't really like working out with other people. It's just annoying. Like I'm there to like rid my mind of, you know, any stress, and I don't want to talk and I don't want to discuss things. I just want to think and about what I'm doing. But as time went on, when I got married and living in my house and homeschooling, and oh, you have leftovers, oh, let me go and eat them because I don't want to waste them. And so I love it because the calories, they keep on tracking it for you. They keep tracking the calories. So say like I lose another pound, I have to adjust the calories. It's just so fun. Oh, nice.
This is our Christmas outing.
Yeah, this is our Christmas outing with Pete. Look how pretty it is, huh? That is nice. Oh yeah, there's another tree over there, guys. Wow. That's very nice.
lights on that shit.
Wow. Isn't this nice?
So these are the outdoor tables over here. We're on.
All right, we decided to, here, no, oh, this arm? Hold on. Okay, so we've decided to go back to the car and drive. It's way too cold, right?
You notice after you eat dinner,
Uh-huh.
it gets really cold.
Yeah,
It's your body. Your
Yeah.
body's using your heat to digest food.
right. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. That is so fun. It's a completely lit up car with Christmas lights. Oh my gosh, we have to go over there.
I'm gonna do that to the Odyssey.
Oh my gosh, that is so fun.
We're gonna light up the
That
Odyssey.
is so
We're
fun.
gonna even put lights on the wheels.
I'm gonna go chase it down. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Anna went. It was really good.